Master your day. How to improve time management series and boost productivity. Welcome back to the channel. Do you ever feel like you're constantly busy, but not actually getting anything important done? You're not alone. In today's always on world, effective time management isn't just a nice to have, it's a survival skill. Feeling overwhelmed by your to do list? Time management isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. In this video, we reveal actionable strategies to improve your time management skills, eliminate distractions, and boost your productivity without burning out. Learn to prioritize effectively, conquer procrastination, and reclaim control of your day. But here's the secret: time management isn't about magic apps or working 24/7. It's about developing specific skills to take control of your time rather than letting your time control you. Today, I'm sharing 5 actionable strategies that will help you boost your productivity and finally feel in control of your day. Let's dive in. Skill 1: Mastering Prioritization, the Eisenhower Matrix. The biggest mistake people make is treating every task as equally important. Not all tasks are created equal. The Eisenhower Matrix: urgent, important. Urgent and important, do now, crisis, deadlines. Not urgent and important, schedule planning, relationship building, skill development. This is where real growth happens. Urgent and not important, delegate interruptions, some emails. Non-urgent and not important, delete time wasters, excessive scrolling. Actionable tip: at the start of each day, quickly categorize your top 3 to 5 tasks. Focus on the important categories. Skill 2: Eliminating distractions, the focus zone. Our phones, our inboxes, our open office plans, distractions are productivity killers. You need to create a focus zone. Batching similar tasks. Process all emails at specific times, example 10 a.m. and 3 p.m., not constantly. Handle all phone calls in a dedicated block. A Pomodoro technique: work for 25 minutes with hyperfocus, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat. This trains your brain to concentrate. Notifications is simple but powerful. Turn off non-essential notifications on your phone and computer during deep work. Environment design: clean workspace, noise-cancelling headphones, a do not disturb sign. Skill 3: the art of saying no, setting boundaries. One of the hardest, yet most crucial, time management skills is setting boundaries. Every yes to something unimportant is a no to something important. Be strategic, not selfish. Explain why you're declining. Example: I'm currently focused on completing X project, so I can't take on Y right now, but I can help with Z next week. Protect your deep work time. Block out periods in your calendar for focused, uninterrupted work on your most important tasks. Treat these blocks like unchangeable appointments. Practice politely: I appreciate you thinking of me, but my plate is full right now. Or, I can't commit to that, but I can suggest someone else who might help. Skill 4: Batching and automation, working smarter, not harder. Leverage technology and smart planning to make your time go further. Task batching: group similar smaller tasks together. Example: all quick phone calls, all invoicing, all social media posts. Template everything. For repetitive emails, reports, or common tasks, create templates. This saves immense time. Automate where possible. Use tools for scheduling meetings, Calendly, managing projects, Asana, Trello, or sending automated follow-ups. Even simple things like bill pay automation. The 2-minute rule: if a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Don't add it to your to-do list. Skill 5: review and reflect, continuous improvement. Time management isn't a one-time fix, it's a continuous process of learning and adjusting. End of the week review. What did I accomplish today this week? What didn't I get to and why? What can I do differently tomorrow next week? Track your time, occasionally for a week. Simply log how you spend your time. You'll be amazed at where your hours actually go. This helps you identify time sinks. Be flexible, life happens. Don't be so rigid with your schedule that you can't adapt to unexpected events. The goal is control, not affliction. Conclusion and call to action. Remember, time is your most valuable asset. Learning to manage it effectively isn't just about getting more done, it's about reducing stress, having more free time, and ultimately, living a more fulfilling life. Which of these time management skills will you implement first? Or do you have a go-to productivity hack I missed? Share it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more productivity and career tips, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.